Hi, my name is Isadora Ortega. I play the role of Leah. I'm the executive producer and co-writer of Hope Street Holiday. We were able to bring a lovely cast of Afro-Latinas to play the aunties of Leah, so that was really fun. I feel like up to today I haven't seen a diverse cast of black, white, Afro-Latinas come together to tell such a beautiful story about Christmas, for the holidays. The biggest tradition for me that comes with Christmas is the fact that I could be with my family, that I can share meals, that I can share laughter. Everything else is an add-on. Hope Street Holiday is about Dalia Garcia, which is someone that have had loss. She have lost people that really matter to her, and as we come into society, we kind of lose our way sometimes. We start with one dream, and then the expectations that society has for us, and then we put on ourselves, kind of take us away from the original dream, from the original path that we had for our lives. And I feel like Leah, we're going to be able to see how Leah navigates from what she thinks she needs and what she thinks she wants, and what actually fills her up inside. My name is Isadora Ortega. I am the executive producer of Hope Street Holiday, co-writer, and the lead. I play Leah Garcia, and come join us, laugh with us. It's a bilingual production too, so it's going to touch a lot of roots. Just let's celebrate the holidays together.